Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file and then emptied the recycle bin only to regret it seconds later? Don't worry, your files might still be recoverable. Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to recover permanently deleted files from the recycle bin. Whether you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted files using a powerful tool called Advanced File Recovery. Let's get started. If you haven't emptied the recycle bin, just open it, find your file, right-click and select Restore. Your file will go back to its original location. But what if you have already emptied the recycle bin? That's where Advanced File Recovery comes in. Even if your files are permanently deleted, you can still get them back using Advanced File Recovery. Download and install Advanced File Recovery from the link given in the description. Make sure to install it on a different drive than the one you want to recover files from. This helps avoid overwriting. Now launch the software and select the drive or partition where your files were deleted. You'll see two scan options: Quick Scan for faster results and Deep Scan for a more deeper search. I recommend choosing Deep Scan for best results. Then click Next. Choose the type of files you want to recover, like documents, photos, videos, audios, compressed files, or simply select All Data. Now click Start Scan. Once the scan finishes, you'll see a list of recoverable files. You can preview them before recovery. Select the ones you need and click Recover. Finally, choose a folder on a different drive to avoid overwriting data and save your files safely. And that's it, your deleted files are now recovered. Here are some quick tips to avoid this in the future. Always double check before emptying the recycle bin. Turn on backups like file history and increase the bin size if needed. And it's a good idea to keep Advanced File Recovery installed just in case something gets deleted again. And that's how you can recover deleted files even after emptying the recycle bin. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching.